showing you how to make this miniature puzzle box. So version 3. And I know I haven't showed you how to build the other two. That was because they got destroyed for some reason. I just found them on the floor destroyed. Then my cat pushed them over. And remember, like, not too long ago, like a week ago, I was on vacation, and I was on vacation for a week, so I didn't make YouTube videos for a week. And if you want to know where I went to, it's not called Vernon, but I went to Ohio, to Cedar Point, and went on every single roller coaster. There's so many. I'm going to show you a quick picture of it. Right. Wait, am I holding it wrong? Oh, that's this. Including the top thriller. And if you're wondering what the top thriller was, it was called the Dragster. It is right there. It just shoots you straight up and straight down. It was awesome. So, enough of that. Let's get to the building. Okay. Let's start off building by making the layers. If you don't know what the layers are, it's every gray line. So, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start off by making the first layer, which is this. Okay, so first up, you're gonna make this. So basically just make just take a 1x4 white tile piece, same for another thing, and put it right in these spots. One's on the top, one's like straight up. If you want, you could put like a flat piece right there. Now, what you're gonna do is cover up everything else besides this dot right here and these white lines. So basically now you're just gonna put any type of 2x1 brick and place it right there. And now just cover up the second layer. Now just cover up the whole entire thing except for these white lines and that little space. Now that you have this, you're going to take a 4x6 and put a 1x6 tile piece straight down like that. And then right underneath that tile piece, you're going to take this, or yeah, a 2x1, and you're going to put it right underneath that. And then you're going to put, see that? You're going to line that up right there. And you have that little hole. And you have the slot. Now you could just put this off to the side and take a 1x4 with a 1x4 tile piece and stack them on top of each other, and then just a 1x4. Then you're going to slide in the 1x4 right in there. Oh, I forgot to tell you, loosen up the pieces so that you can't, they don't fall out. Now take this 1x4 and stick it in that. And have it come out just a little bit. Then loosen the bottom. Or top. Then make it so that it's just like a normal 1x1. Now just slide in the 1x4 on top of the 1x4 tile. Put it on, slide it in right there, and loosen up the pieces again so that it's hard to come out. Like you can't shake it out.
Stop.
So now you have this. Now guys, we'll be working on layer 2, which will be the next layer right on top. So to start with the layer 2, you're just going to cover up any of the second layer besides this this gray line. As you can see, you don't really need to fill in that part, but then it'll be harder to push through. So now you have this. Now you're going to make a piece that looks like this. So it's just a 2x3, a 1x3, and a 2x2 connected by a 1x3. So make it look like this. Now you can put that off to the side. Okay, now that we have this piece, you're going to attach it right there so that the gray is right above that gray. So then it looks like that. And now you could just make another layer, but do not cover up this yet. So now you should have something like this. Okay, so now you could just cover up the top layer, but instead of now, okay, so get a 2x3 or just a 4x6 and put this only on one end and make it be a 2x2 tile and a 1x2 on the bottom. Or you could, if you don't have that, you just need to do this. And now you could just take this and put it on top right there, so that white goes in right there. So now you have that, and then you could just take a 2x4 and connect this 2x2 with, that's flat. It doesn't matter what color. Then you're gonna put it right there. And then the last one you just need to put on a normal 2x2. So if you have a 4x6, it should look like this. So now, basically, you're just going to make this. What it is a 1x3, a 2x1, a 1x1 cheese slope, and a 1x1, which is right on the bottom of that cheese slope. So then you should have something like this. Then just take a Technic piece like this and stick it right there. It doesn't need to be this. It just needs to be needs to fit into a 2x2 area, and it has to have one of these joints. So then you're just gonna hold them together like that. And put them in right there. And remember to loosen up the pieces. Just like that. Now we are moving on to the last layer of this puzzle box. And the last layer is pretty simple. So basically, you just need to build up 2 layers of around these around this 2x4. that you have that, you do not need to add this little slope right there. That's a choice if you want to. So now you have that. Now you just need a 4x6 or any way to cover up the top. Put it on there. Now you have that. Now I just need to make this. I will be showing you how to make this part now. In 3, 2, 1, boom! So what you'll need is a 2x4, a 2x1 brick with any hole in the middle. Like you could have a 2x1 brick with 2 holes, it doesn't matter. Now you just need to place it on top. Now you just need any type of tile. But it gets caught on the bricks, so then you can't shake it out. And just place it on top. Then you just need to stick it right in there. Then you could put any type of candy you want in there. And don't forget to loosen up the pieces. Just like that. And there you go. And if you want to know how to solve it, then go check out my last video. And I will see you guys later. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you liked, comment, and subscribed. See you later.